Check that out. It's the same on both sides. And now we just gently slide everything up and push it into place. So here we go. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Amico LED recessed downlights. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here walking us through some of the key features. So these are 5-inch or 6-inch LED recessed downlights, 12.5 watts, and 950 lumens. We have adjustable color temperatures from 3000 kelvins, 4000 kelvins, or 5000 kelvins. 5000 kelvins is going to be your nice daylight, bright white light, whereas your 3000 kelvins is going to be your warmer, more incandescent light bulb, warmer, yellowy, softer light. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our user guide and manual right here walking us through everything we need to know about this product and their customer service and contact information. You can see our installation instructions on this side and additional safety information and tech specs. These lights do come with a 5-year warranty. Next up, we have additional clips, our C clips, if needed, depending on our housing. We have enough for each light that's included. And then you can see I pulled out one of the lights right here, so check it out. Everything looks great for 5 or 6 inches. And you can see our adjustable color temperature right here. Just move this switch wherever we desire. So check that out. Everything looks great. These are dimmable as well. And then you can see right here how they're going to connect and easily fit right into our current housing. So connect that in, plug that in, and put these 2 clips in, and you're all set and ready to go. Now let's go ahead, let's get them installed. So here's a quick before look of the basement right here. Currently you can see we have a couple incandescent lights right here. So we're showing 6. One at the very end is already burnt out, but we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna upgrade the lights here from our incandescent bulbs with their nice warm light. You can see the nice probably 3000 Kelvin light here. And we're going to upgrade those to the 5000 Kelvin recessed lights. Now it's time to get them swapped out. So our first step was to remove the old housing. You can see ours was held in by 2 springs. And now we can look inside our box and you can see we already have our C clamps installed right there, so we don't have to even add the additional ones that were provided. So now it's time to go ahead, connect our socket, and then we'll get the light in. So you can see we have it connected right here. Now you can see everything's connected right here, and it's time to hook them in place. So here we go. You can see what it looks like when we have them hooked in. So check that out. It's the same on both sides. And now we just gently slide everything up and push it into place. So here we go. Check that out. It's that simple. Now everything has fully been installed. And if we ever want to change the color temperature, don't forget we can easily just pull this back down and move the switch accordingly. So first up, you can see we have the camera right up to the light. This is what 3000 kelvins looks like. So it's definitely noticeable in person. It's going to be hard to pick up on the camera, but you can see this is our 3000 Kelvin light setting. Now you can see our 4000 Kelvin color temperature right here. It's really hard to tell with the camera, but it's definitely still warm, but not as warm as our 3000 kelvins as you would expect. So the light's definitely getting a little bit cooler. And lastly, we have our 5000 kelvins right here. So you can see what that looks like. This is definitely the coolest option out of the bunch in the color that I'm going to be using here. I really like the look of the 5000 kelvins for our light, but it's really nice that we have the option to adjust between 3000, 4000, and 5000. All right, so check it out. Now you can see what it looks like with all of our lights installed. Everything looks great. And you may notice right here, we have a dimmer connected as well. So you can see what it looks like if we have our minimum brightness there, which basically powers them off. And then you can see we can increase the brightness as well. There's our max brightness. Or we could settle somewhere in between depending on what we're after. So everything works great, looks great, very simple to install, and it's really going to improve the lighting in your room. They're very bright and they look really nice. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.